Hi guys, it's Kaiwas here with another video. So I just wanted to make a short video about this Samsung S60B soundbar, which I bought recently with my Samsung S95B QD OLED TV. It works very well. So basically, this is a 2022 soundbar from Samsung, and it has uh, 5 channels, if I'm correct. Yes, it is a 5.0 channel speaker setup. I mean, soundbar basically. But this is BS, so it can't do 5.0. Um, it has virtual surround, Atmos and Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X, but uh, this is not enough. This one uh, bar to do a surround sound. So it can extend the front channel. You may hear sound from the far left or far right, but it is not enough to, you know, make the sound to go behind you or next to you. It won't do that, so it is marketing BS. But it can do a very loud and clear sound. Yes, so it is a great soundbar for what it is, for just one piece of plastic basically. For that, it is a very good soundbar. It supports Dolby Atmos and DTS, Virtual X. I already said that, but it is important because these formats are very great in quality. So, and two more important things: you can extend the soundbar with a subwoofer and rear speaker kit. And so yeah, I have the rear speaker kit extension, and it is amazing. So this speaker with that one, I just had to elevate it because it is too, low otherwise. So these speakers are great. It is single channel speakers, I mean just one and one, so it is two together. It doesn't have Atmos built in, uh, but it is still great. It is loud and crisp, very clear to hear, and works very well together. They create a kind of phantom sound, you hear the sound like it is moving behind you, so it is very good. And together with the soundbar, they create a pretty good surround experience. So if you get this soundbar, I advise you to buy speaker rear speaker kit, because it is a huge upgrade. If you have the place to put it, preferably behind you. So yeah, so these speakers are pretty cool, especially for gaming. I play Warzone 2, and with the surround, with the real speaker kit, it is a pretty good surround experience. You can hear the sound very well from all directions. But without the rear speaker kit, I think it is not that great. I tried it, and you cannot pinpoint where this sound is coming from if it is not from front of you. So yes, this is my basic review of this product. It is very good for a bedroom or smaller rooms. It is not good for a bigger room, basically. This is especially great for a smaller bedroom. So thank you very much for watching and have a beautiful day.